Welcome to the video, guys. In today's video, we're going to be answering a question that was left over the weekend, and it had to do with the word resolution. So let's get to the video. Again, guys, if you're new to the channel, I'd love to introduce myself to you. My name is Dale, and I'll be your host here on Dale Frazier Photography. For those of you who are new to the channel, I want you to know this. It doesn't matter if we're talking about this channel or one of my other YouTube channels. One of the things that I truly enjoy about working here on YouTube and trying to help others is every morning I wake up and I read the comments. And I do my best to try to answer every comment and every question that's left. I know that sometimes when I'm making my videos, I may go fast, I may go slow, and sometimes I may actually confuse somebody. And that is never my intention. My intention here is to try to put these videos together to help others. One of the things that came up over the weekend, and if you notice our last two videos, we've been working with HDR. And I've said that you can actually increase your resolution of the image by shooting in HDR. However, that word has sparked some interest with one of our viewers. So me and him had a brief conversation about it, and I said essentially this. I said, okay, well, maybe I should have used the word improve the quality of your image instead of the resolution. So just for giggles, I went to Google and I Googled resolution of image. And basically what it says, if you read the resolution, and you can Google this right now and follow along with me, but in short, it basically says that resolution is a way to define the quality of an image. So when I use the term, you can increase the resolution of your image, I'm talking about the overall quality of the image when using it in HDR. So real quickly, what I'm going to do is I'll throw up some pictures real quick, and I'm going to show you straight out of the camera. I'm going to show you some with HDR that have been processed, and we'll just do real light processing, and I'll let you guys be the judge. But at the end of the day, number one is, and I sure don't want to confuse anybody, especially when it comes to terminology in photography, because everybody that comes to my channel or any channel on YouTube, we all have different skill sets, we all have different things, but the number one thing and the number one goal that we strive for on any of my channels is I want to help others, and that's truly where my heart is, and what I'm trying to do is help others. So again, if I've caused anybody any concerns about the word resolution, in my mind, we're just going to use them interchangeably, because if you Google it, it says the resolution is basically a way to measure the quality of an image. So maybe next week when we're doing the Photoshop video, I'll say quality instead of resolution. Either way, guys, let me know what you think. Put your comments down below. Again, I know that we're not changing anything internal in the camera. The resolution that's built into your camera, along with the megapixels and the processor inside your camera, is always going to be the same. However, if you take your images like we're doing, and we're taking 3 images, and we're going to combine them together, when you multiply those 3 images together, what the HDR stands for is high dynamic range, which means that you're going to have more detail in the highlights, you're going to have more details in the shadows, and in the end, you're going to have a better quality image than if it was just straight out of the camera. So again, guys, we appreciate your likes, comments, and subscribes. And until Thursday's video comes out, when we're going to be doing some fun stuff, we're going to quickly show you how to change a background by selecting the subject in Photoshop of our HDR image we've already been working on. We're going to change out the background and just kind of make it a little bit fun. And then we've also got some fun stuff coming up. We're going to be doing the rule of thirds. We're going to do convergent lines, and we're going to do some other fun aspects of photography. But until then, be sure to check out one of our playlists. Check out one of the other videos. And as always, guys, we hope you have a blessed week. And let's go shoot some stuff.